Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain question answers that is on page number 11. Fine. Here is the page number. The first question is list the characters of the story. Fine. Again I am repeating. List the characters of the story, and the answer is John, his mom, his father, and his grandfather. I have already explained this whole lesson in the Zoom class. I hope all of you remember the character's name: John, his mom, his father. His father means John's father, and John's grandfather. Fine. Now, question second. What had John's mom prepared when he came home from school? Fine. What had John's mom prepared when he came home from school? And the answer is John's mom had prepared some cookies when he came home from the school. And this answer we can find here also. Here. She had just placed a plate of fresh baked cookies. है ना? तो means हमें ये आंसर लेसन में से मिल जाता है. आंसर इज जॉन्स मॉम हैड प्रीपेड सम कुकीज. उन्होंने क्या बनाए हैं? सम कुकीज बनाई है. व्हेन ही केम, ही मीन्स हु? जॉन. फाइन. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस आंसर ऑल्सो. एंड द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट डू द फैमिली प्लान ड्यूरिंग स्प्रिंग? फाइन. What do the family plan during spring? And the answer is John's grandpa plans a fishing trip and his mom plans cleaning the house. This answer also we can find here on the page number 9. Here you can see our annual fishing trip is coming up. Fine. So I hope all of you understand. I am just trying to show you that I have taken this answer from the textbook. When teacher explain you the lesson, you should concentrate, you should listen carefully when teacher explain the lesson. So when you start to answer this question, you will able to find the answer from the lesson. Fine. So the answer is John's grandpa plans a fishing trip. क्या प्लान करते हैं वो? फिशिंग ट्रिप प्लान करते हैं. और उसकी मम्मा क्या प्लान करती है? His mom plans cleaning the house. Fine. Now fourth question. What did John and his mom clean? I'm again repeating. What did John and his mom clean? The answer is John and his mom. The answer is John and his mom cleaned everything that was upstairs, inside and outside the house. Fine. मतलब क्या क्या क्लीन किया जॉन की मम्मी ने और जॉन ने क्या क्या क्लीन किया? तो उसका आंसर आपको यहाँ पे भी मिल जाता है. सी, दे क्लीन अपस्टेयर्स, इनसाइड, आउटसाइड. है ना? तो ये वाला आंसर यहाँ पे मिल जाता है. Until everything was spotless. So the answer is John and his mom cleaned everything. उन्होंने सब कुछ क्लीन किया था. It was upstairs, जो ऊपर था वो, इनसाइड घर के अंदर था वो, आउटसाइड द हाउस भी उन्होंने क्लीन किया. फाइन. नाउ फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन. Why did mom decide to throw away Pop's chair? The question is why did mom decide to throw away Pop's chair? And the answer is Mom decided to throw away Pop's chair because it was old, faded, worn and torn in some places. And this answer we can find here on this page number. Fine. The chair was unsightly. It was faded and worn and in some places even torn. Means I am trying to explain this answer. Mom decided. Mom ने क्यों decide किया? Whose mom? John's mom. John's mom decided to throw away Pop's chair because उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि जो दादाजी की चेयर है ना उसको हमें क्या करना चाहिए? फेंक देना चाहिए. मीन्स कहाँ पे? वो जो डस्टबिन जो ट्रक आएगा ना गार्बेज का, तो उसके अंदर। बिकॉज इट वॉज ओल्ड, बिकॉज दैट चेयर इज that chair was old and faded and worn and torn in some places। मतलब वो चेयर की सिचुएशन कैसी हो गई थी, बहुत पुरानी भी हो गई थी, ठीक है ना, अभी उसको नई लाने की ज़रूरत थी। फाइन, आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस 5 questions। now in next video I'm going to explain this activity 4, only this page। fine।